Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you one of my client's requirement. Please watch till end. The plot size is 26 feet by 50 feet with road on two sides of the plot. That is 100 feet road on the south direction and 30 feet road on the north direction. In ground floor, they needed one shop and small room, kitchen and common toilet beside the staircase and 2 to 3 car parking space with 2 gates on both north and south direction. Size of shop is 13 feet 1 inch by 11 feet. Size of lobby is 6 feet 8 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. Size of room is 10 feet 10 inches by 11 feet 10 inches. Size of kitchen is 6 feet 8 inches by 6 feet by leaving a car parking space of 45 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 10 inches. In first floor, they needed living room, master bedroom with attached toilet and balcony, children bedroom, common toilet, kitchen along with small store beside the kitchen and utility space. Sizes of living room is 22 feet 2 inches by 11 feet. Size of master bedroom is 13 feet 6 inches by 11 feet. Size of children bedroom is 13 feet 6 inches by 11 feet. Size of kitchen is 13 feet 6 inches by 11 feet. Size of store is 4 feet 2 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. Size of utility is 4 feet 7 inches by 5 feet 1 inch. Size of both toilets are 4 feet by 7 feet. In this plan, living room is placed on the northeast direction, kitchen, store, utility are placed on the southeast direction, master bedroom place on southwest direction. Children bedroom and staircase are placed on the northwest direction. In second floor, they needed home theater, guest bedroom with attached toilet and remaining space has to be left open for any party purpose. In the open space they will be having pergola. Size of home theater is 18 feet by 10 feet 7 inches. Size of guest bedroom is 13 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 5 inches. Size of dressing room is 4 feet by 4 feet 1 inch. Size of attached toilet is 4 feet by 7 feet and open space left on terrace is 17 feet 10 inches by 23 feet 10 inches. Note that the staircase is placed outside for commercial purpose for the future. Plan is completely based on client's requirement. Thank you for watching my video. For more interesting videos, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. And follow Instagram page.